Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can connect Apple Magic Mouse to your MacBook. So at the first, let's grab our mouse and rotate, and of course we have to press like that, and then we have to turn on this switcher, and when the indicator is blinking on the green color, it means that it's turned on. So what we have to do right now, we have to use our touchpad, then tap on the Bluetooth icon, then move to the Bluetooth preferences. And right now we have to wait until our MacBook find the mouse. So just wait until it shows here, and it's below, so we have to scroll down. It's right here, as you can see. So click connect. And as you can see, there we got a notification that our mouse is connected. So let's try if it's working. And yes, it is. So that's how we can connect this device to your MacBook. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.